Hello, my friends. Did you know that broken items that you think you're going to fix one day that you haven't fixed in forever are clutter? Things that need buttons sewn on are clutter. If you haven't done it, it's clutter. Don't think, oh, I'm going to save this and fix it. That is not going to happen, and you're going to feel so much better if you just throw it away or recycle it or donate it. If it's like shredded towels or old towels or whatever, you can give those away to the local shelter, animal shelter. But give it away or throw it away, mostly throw it away. Broken items are clutter. So when you look in the kitchen and you see that cookie press that your mother gave you that she never used, that somebody gave her that she never used, and you try to use it and it doesn't work right, it's broken. Nobody will want it. Get rid of it. If you have, I don't know, a broken can opener that you think you're going to use, that you're going to fix, it just has to have this one little thing done, a toaster, anything, get rid of it. If it hasn't been repaired, chances are it's not going to be repaired. Get rid of it. The same goes for everything throughout your house. So today, if you have clutter and it's broken, get rid of it. Make it a great day.